Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that many developers face when working with Room databases in Android apps. Have you ever encountered a situation where your Room database returns null values when dealing with nested relationships and left joins? If so, you're not alone. In this video, we'll dive into the reasons behind this behavior and provide a clear explanation of how to resolve it. We'll cover the key concepts involved in nested relationships and left joins in Room databases, and explore why null values might be returned. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to handle these situations and ensure that your app's data is accurately retrieved from the database. So, let's get started. To understand why Room databases return null values with nested relationships and left joins, we need to first grasp the basics of how these concepts work. In Room databases, relationships between entities are defined using annotations such as @embedded and @relation. When you use a left join in your query, Room attempts to match rows from two tables based on the specified relationship. However, if there's no matching row in the second table, the result will contain null values for the columns that are supposed to be populated from that table. The issue arises when dealing with nested relationships. Imagine you have an entity called user, which has a one-to-many relationship with another entity called order. Each order entity is further related to multiple product entities through another one-to-many relationship. If you perform a left join on the user entity to fetch all its associated orders and products, Room might return null values for the product columns if there are no matching products in the database. This behavior can be attributed to how Room handles nullability of fields in entities. By default, Room assumes that all fields in an entity are non-nullable. When a left join returns no matches, Room will insert null values into these fields, resulting in unexpected behavior in your app. To overcome this issue, you need to explicitly define the nullability of each field in your entity using the @nullable annotation. This tells Room that it's okay for these fields to contain null values, and it should not throw any errors when encountering them. Another solution is to use a different query approach, such as using subqueries or joins with a specific join type, like inner joins instead of left joins. However, this might require significant changes to your database schema and queries. To summarize the main points discussed in this video, Room databases return null values when dealing with nested relationships and left joins due to how it handles nullability of fields. To resolve this issue, you need to explicitly define the nullability of each field in your entity using the @nullable annotation. Alternatively, consider changing your query approach to use subqueries or different join types. That's all for today's video on resolving null values returned by Room databases with nested relationships and left join. If you found this explanation helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Android development tutorials and tips. If you have any further questions or need clarification on any of the concepts discussed in this video, feel free to ask in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you and help you overcome any challenges you're facing with your app's database implementation. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.